How to change your password on Roblox. Wanna update your Roblox password to keep your account extra secure? It's easy. This video shows you how to do it in under 60 seconds. Open the Roblox website, which is roblox.com, and log into your account if you're not already logged in. Hover your mouse over your username in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Now here's what to do next. Click on Settings from the drop-down menu. In your Settings menu, look for the section called Account Settings or Account Info. Tap or click on the Account Settings. You should see your username and other account details. Look for a section related to password or change password. Click on the button that says Change Password and you'll be prompted to enter your current password for verification. Make sure to enter your current password, not the new one you want to create. Now, enter your new password and remember to choose a strong password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Re-enter your new password in the confirmation field to avoid typos. Click or tap the button to save or update password. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Roblox password. Now, don't reuse passwords across different websites or accounts, and consider using a password manager to create and store strong passwords. Thanks for watching. Now your Roblox account has a fresh, secure password. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks.